When I say I didn't do anything to this hair, I meant it. I mean, that doesn't mean I did not add hair product, nor brush the hair, or make it look seamless. You get what I mean? But anyways, I'm talking about the hair. You guys have seen me rocking of recent. This is this hair from the TikTok shop right here. So this is exactly how it came. You can tell it's 100% synthetic hair. This is actually the first time I am seeing a wig where they indicated 100% synthetic. All I have seen is 100% human hair. To make the lace blend seamlessly to my scalp, I used my bronze powder, and yeah, I used the bronze powder on it, and you saw how it looks. So now I just went ahead and brushed the hair just to get rid of any tangling. So there is this thing I saw that fascinated me so much. Normally you will see the normal elastic string, but this one is different. I don't know, I was really fascinated by this. You can tell the way I was trying to show you guys here. Anyways, so this is the elastic, rather the adjustable string that came with this, which I like. So I went on to wearing the wig, and now I can tell how seamless the lace look, though I'm still going to touch it a little bit later. So I went ahead and used the side comb to clip the wig properly to my hair, just to make sure it's not going to fall off. Even if you go to whip your hair like a star party and you have this hair on, trust me, there is no slipping off, there is no falling off or anything. Okay, so yeah, that's what that looks like. Just to be more secured, I added a little bit of spray, got to be glue spray. Yeah, these two products right here. So I mixed both of them together because I just wanted something to how will I say, something I can easily use. So I mixed both of them together. You get. Then that is the got to be glue spray and the Gorilla Snug gel. So I apply that and just hand fan it to kind of get a little bit tacky, and then apply the hair onto it, rather the wig onto it, and just press it down with my finger, and that was it. So it was secured. Okay, 70% secured, because at this point it wasn't fully dry yet. Okay, so I went ahead with the hot comb just to flatten the part, to make it as flat as possible. And trust me, you guys, it was as flat as I wanted it. Okay, so this is how this it looks. This step is easy, I believe. I mean, I am that one person that is really scared of hot comb. I'm not going to lie. The way I was, being careful so I don't get myself burnt, or rather I don't burn myself, you will not believe it. So yeah, this is what I am up to at this point. All right, so just so you don't say I didn't warn you, if you are using hot comb on synthetic hair, even though they tell you it take hot whatever, I mean, it can resist heat, but you have to be careful. You have to regulate your heat apply. Me, I not go speak English where I don't know. Wait, I mean, you have to regulate the hot comb or the tonguing machine or whatever. You get. But this one is a good, I would say, a good hair, good synthetic hair. So I didn't get any, but it didn't get burnt or no melting or whatever. You guys can tell right here. But this is me just telling you just to be cautious. Okay, so this is where I went back to use the bronze powder to kind of darken the front part again, just so it looks seamless. I mean, seamless doesn't hurt, right? So to tame the flyaway, I use this wax gel from Balea. I got it from DM if you live in Germany. So I just use a bit of it and apply it all over the hair, just a very, very tiny bit. One thing about this gel is it is not flaky at all, by the time it absorb into your hair, it gives it that shine, it gives it that Vaseline look and texture, if I may say. Yeah, so it's that kind of gel. So I just applied a tiny bit on my hair, and you can see how beautiful, how stunning it looks right now. Man, I was gagged by this hair. Okay, maybe I'm going to use this word a lot of times, okay, in other videos that I'm going to post in time to come. But you guys, oh my god, blown away is not even the right word I'm looking for right now. Man, I was feeling myself. I was feeling so good, feeling stunning, gorgeous, just name it, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to stand up in a minute and show you what it looks like standing up. Okay, yeah, of course, I must not forget this part, even though it wasn't needed because the hair already has its own shine. But, you know, if easy. So take a look, you guys. Take a look. Oh my god. Seeing this hair like this, can you argue this is not 100% human hair? Can you argue this isn't real hair, human hair? Come on, just take a look at the what is it called again, the layering perfection. Man, this wig is everything, honestly. And come to think of it, it is very, very chickeny money, like I always say. Very affordable. You get, imagine you having this one on every day. I mean, on with that affordable price. I beg me, I not to talk it sharp. So this is what this hair looks like. What do you guys think? I know you like it. I know you like it. Run onto my TikTok shop right now and go get yours, okay? I have different hair on there, or better still, just go into my showcase. All the hair are displayed, rather are on there, okay? Especially this one that I'm talking about right now. This one is up, is on there. I even linked into a recent video, so just to make it easy for you. So to give me a different look, I just went ahead and, you know, kind of wrap it up. Maybe I decide to wear this wig to work, how I would, you know, wear it. And yeah, it looks nice. You can even go ahead and talking the front part behind your ears, and yeah, and you'll be good. Yeah, what do you guys think? So do let me know your thought in the comment section below. Let me know what you think, you know, about this hair. Rate it in the comment section. Give it, you know, how many numbers you think say this hair worth. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.